So here we're subtracting mixed numbers, but now we're going to find our answer by changing both mixed numbers in the question into improper fractions. So 2 and 1/8 as an improper fraction is 17/8. That's because to change a mixed number into an improper fraction, we multiply the whole number by the denominator and then add the numerator. So 2 times 8 is 16, plus 1 is 17. So that's our numerator, and the denominator stays the same. We're subtracting 1 and 7/8, which as an improper fraction is 15/8, because 1 times 8 is 8, and then 8 plus 7 is 15, and the denominator stays the same. Now, when we're subtracting fractions, we keep the denominators the same, so the denominator of our answer is 8, and 17 minus 15 is 2, so our answer is 2/8. Now we have 3 and 2/5 minus 1 and 4/5. So as an improper fraction, 3 and 2/5 is 17/5. That's because 3 times 5 is 15, and then 15 plus 2 is 17, so that's our numerator, and the denominator stays the same. We're subtracting 1 and 4/5, which is 9/5 as an improper fraction, because 1 times 5 is 5, and then 5 plus 4 is 9. So when we're subtracting fractions, we keep the denominator the same, and 17 minus 9 is 8. So as an improper fraction, our answer is 8/5. But we can change that back into a mixed number by dividing. 8 divided by 5 is 1 remainder 3, and the denominator stays the same, so our answer is 1 and 3/5. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that was helpful. If you're a teacher or a parent, then please subscribe or go to keystage2maths.com to download resources for this lesson and many more. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next video.